Okay, not gonna lie, this is the first Logitech mouse I've ever used. So you might have heard of the Logitech MX Master 7, the MX Master. What is MX Master 7? MX Master 2, MX Master 3, the MX, anything Logitech MX. In 2012 there was a pretty popular one, but this Logitech MX Master, actually, this is actually not even MX Master. Surprisingly, this is not even an MX Master. This is the MZ20 Triathlon. No, Triathlon. Okay, MZ20 Triathlon. And basically, I'm just gonna run through, what it is. I've got not very, those windows. I'm gonna actually go back there and turn them off so that it's not so bright over here. If I could change the angle, but I'm just gonna go over there, so just 1 sec. Okay, turning down. Oh, okay, I'm back. Whoop, it's still reflecting. So I'm just gonna change this camera angle. Okay, is it visible now? Nope. Okay, I'm just gonna turn off all of these windows. 1 sec. Okay, now it's like really, really dark. Can you see it now? Oh. Yeah, maybe should I just change this camera over here? And I think you should for sure be able to see it now. So the power switch is at the bottom. You could turn this mouse on and off. If I turn it off, then I won't be able to control my computer. So I'm just going to do that anyway. Now it's off, so you see it's red. And now, of course, on my computer, it won't. I'm trying to move it, but it's not going to work. But of course, I'm just going to turn it back on so that I can use my computer. I don't want to not use my computer. But, you see, you could scroll. So I'm just going to head over to, I'm just going to head over to some random website. I'm watching the PogChamps Mr. Beast versus Ludwig. Mr. Beast is back playing chess, if you didn't know that. Okay, so I'm doing this right now, but you can see I'm moving my mouse and it's moving the thing. So if I point the camera down, you could see this is a very heavy camera, but I'm moving my mouse, and that moves also this mouse. The scrolling, it scrolls up and down. You could click this button, and then one of the most important things is over here you could switch between 1, 2, and 3. So that means if you click on this button, I don't want to do it right now, but if you click on this button, then it'll automatically, I don't know if you can see, but there's a button here. If you click the down button, it'll automatically change between 1, 2, and 3. So you have to figure out what your device is. Mine is 2, so then I would click this button. It would select 2 because I'm nearest to that device, and then it would basically I would just connect it, and it's very easy to use. One of the nice things is it's got, when you put your thumb over here, it's pretty neat. When you put your thumb over here, your thumb kind of rests here. So when you're using the mouse, your thumb kind of rests. And this is definitely a good mouse for gaming. You just zoom super fast. And that's basically, I mean, you also have the Logitech logo at the bottom. It's a weird shape, but about a pretty good shape. Give me 1 second. This is what a regular person on a desktop, say any day, would use. It's just a regular mouse. I could connect it to the computer with a USB wire. This is just for, regular people every single day. I used to use this, but you just move the cursor and you have you could click and then you could scroll, you could right click. It's a pretty heavy. When you connect it, the red turns on. This is a pretty old mouse. I'm just gonna drop it. But I use this mouse every single day to edit in Final Cut Pro, and it works completely fine. This video I recently did of the logo from the Apple M1, the One More Thing event. I was using this mouse to edit the video, and I used it for all my other videos. That's basically the functionalities of this mouse. You've, of course, got your click, you got your scroll, and you've got your right click. That's basically how you have this mouse. You have right click, and then you also have on the bottom, you can turn it on and off. That's basically how you do it. Pretty quick tutorial. We're only like 9 minutes into the video, but I'll see you next time. Bye.